In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Spotify desktop app. Keeping Spotify up to date is the easiest way to get new features, fix bugs, and keep things running smoothly. I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to check for and install updates on both Windows and Mac, and I'll share a few quick tips if you don't see the update option right away. First, let's update inside the Spotify app itself. Open the Spotify desktop app, then look to the top right corner of the window. Click your profile icon. If an update is available for your device, you'll see an option that says something like Update Spotify. Click that, and Spotify will download and install the latest version. The app may briefly restart to finish the process. If you don't see the option, that usually means you're already on the newest version or the update hasn't rolled out to you yet. Next, for Windows users, you can update through the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store, use the search bar, and type Spotify. Select Spotify from the results to open its app page. Check the button you see there. If it says update, click it to install the latest version. If it says open, your app is already up to date. Using the Microsoft Store is a reliable way to make sure you're getting the official most recent release. Now, for Mac users, you can verify updates right from the app. Open Spotify, go to the top menu bar, click Spotify, and choose About Spotify. A small window will appear showing your current version. If an update is available, you'll see an option to install it directly. Whether you originally installed Spotify from the App Store or downloaded it from Spotify's website, this About window is the quickest way to check an update. A few important notes before we wrap up. Updates may install automatically when you restart Spotify, so if you've had the app open for a long time, closing and reopening it can trigger the update. Keeping Spotify updated helps with performance, stability, and compatibility with new features. And don't forget, you'll need an active internet connection for any update to download. Quick tip, if you don't see an update option and something still feels off, try restarting Spotify. If that doesn't help, reinstalling the app will give you the latest version in one go. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.